Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about chop saws. And there are basically two types of chop saws. There's stationary ones, which you usually see at a metal dealer where they go up there and they can cut through the metal and stuff, on a big rack thing. They bring out, measure it, cut it for you. But most of the chop saws I've dealt with over the years are handheld. They're sort of like a chainsaw. It's got a gas engine on it. When instead of having a bar, chain and bar on there, it has a bar comes out to a big 12-inch cutting wheel with a shroud over it. And working construction, we use chop saws for cutting cast iron pipe, ductile iron pipe, PVC pipe, polypropylene pipe, rebar. We can switch out the blades to use on wood, concrete. You know, there's different type blades for them as well. So now most of you probably aren't ever going to need to have a chop saw, but if you ever have an opportunity to pick up one cheap that someone's getting rid of, jump at it, because you'll become a lot of people's best friends. All right, so chop saws are an unusual saw, usually for construction, but they do have a lot of usefulness in doing other things as well. So before I wrap it up here, please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you're not subscribed yet, you can take this opportunity and click on somewhere around here, then keep moving it back and forth. There's a little gray bar button that says subscribe. You click on it and you click again to hit the notification bell. Also, I'm going to put some links up here for you to, some of them for you to share, some of them are for you. One is to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, where I do gardening and homesteading stuff. I'm going to put two playlists. They'll appear over here on this side here, Prepping in Private and Prepping for Beginners. And I'll have another one for that explains the channel memberships down here. All right, so get prepared. Share prepping information with family, friends, and neighbors. Get them prepared. Why? Well, this is why.